Russia's only aircraft carrier, the Admiral Kuznetsov, will reportedly emerge from its refit in 2022. In this video, we will discuss who is Kuznetsov. Nikolay Gerasimovich Kuznetsov was a Soviet naval officer who achieved the rank of Admiral of the Fleet of the Soviet Union and served as People's Commissar of the Navy during the Second World War. There's a quote by an anonymous source in the shipbuilding industry that says so. Since Russian carriers are known for being cursed, they will need a replacement soon. However, Russia lacks funds and skilled workers to complete this task. Kuznetsov is receiving a modest upgrade that will increase the number of Su-33 and MiG-29 strike fighters. The ship can carry from 24 to 26, according to Business Insider. The $715 million upgrade also includes new electronics, communications, and networking systems, as well as new boilers and pumps. The Panzer M close-in weapon system will be installed alongside the new flight systems for aircraft launching and recovery. These additions are Defense World reports. The Admiral Kuznetsov is 305 meters long, 72 meters wide, and 10 meters deep. The ship can reach a top speed of 29 knots. A new paint job will cost $3.4 million. The flight deck has a 14,700 square meters runway and aircraft take off from an inclined ramp at 12 degrees. The deck is equipped with lightning rods, and commercial aircraft use it as well. Two elevators on the starboard side take aircraft to the takeoff deck. The Soviet Union built. The Russian Navy got the ship when the Soviet Union collapsed. They didn't have enough money to operate it fully. Kuznetsov's first deployment at sea was in 1996 and construction began in 1981. The carrier hasn't fared well in recent years. In 2009, an electrical fire killed one crewman. In 2012, the ship broke down off the coast of France and had to be towed by the Navy tug Nikolay Gerasimovich. In 2016, Kuznetsov lost 2 airplanes in 2 weeks, both reportedly due to faulty arresting wires during the aircraft recovery process. That's not all. In 2018, the ship was damaged when a sinking dry dock knocked a hole in it, which complicated planned upgrades. In 2019, Kuznetsov caught fire, suffering millions in damages. And last year, the director of the shipyard servicing the ship was arrested for allegedly embezzling approximately $500,000 meant to clean the ship's fuel tanks. Russia has announced several efforts over the past 15 years to build Kuznetsov's replacement, but Japan is stuck with the old decrepit warship and lacks the funds to invest in something new. This will keep happening even if they find a way to obtain funding. We're on the constant lookout for new and fresh information about the latest military technology developed in US. Let us know what you think in the comments section, because it helps us to keep going. We hope you like this video. Share it with your friends and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. See you at the next one.